This 2011 Kia Optima LX video demonstration is brought to you by Carnival Kia of Rivergate, located in Madison, Tennessee, just off of Gallatin Pike North, just south of the Rivergate Mall. We have a ton of great options here in the driver's seat. We've got power windows, locks, and mirrors, electronic stability control, steering wheel mounted audio, phone, and cruise controls. Very safe, very convenient. You never have to take your hands off the wheel to adjust any of those things. And thanks to the Bluetooth built into the stereo, you don't have to take your hands off the wheel to answer your cell phone or to make a call. Very nice, very safe. Now moving over to the stereo, on top of that Bluetooth, we've got satellite and MP3 technology built right in, as well as, of course, the AM/FM stereo and CD player. And so you get a ton of options there as well. You've got fully integrated USB and auxiliary connections down here, as well as some additional auxiliary power outlets, so you can plug in any other audio device you'd like. Say you have some music on an MP3 player, a cell phone, laptop, iPad, really anything with a headphone jack. Or if you're like me, I use my GPS on my cell phone and I plug it right into the stereo and listen to it through there. It's really great. You got tons of great features here. This vehicle has been inspected by our certified technicians and is Q certified. Now what that gives you is a 2-year or 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty, a 1-year roadside assistance package, as well as our appearance protection package to ensure it stays running and looking great. Some additional comfort and safety features include child safety locks, rear latch system for child safety seats, center seat armrest with cup holders, side curtain airbags, pass-through rear seating, and of course that means these seats fold flat very easily for lots of additional storage. For additional information or to check availability of this great Optima, come on down and see us. Again, we're located in Madison, Tennessee, just off of Gallatin Pike North, just south of the Rivergate Mall. Look for the big Ferris wheel. You can't miss it. Or give us a call at 888-378-5201. And of course you can visit us online anytime at www.carnivalkia.com.